Siamo, Lekki Phase 1. You want to buy land, it'll cost 200 million, 300 million. No drainage system. 30 minutes rain, see everywhere. Just 30 minutes rain, no. I tell you, I can know we need to. Better kid.
If I enter this school, like if I stand, just what do you mean it's almost like that? Like that's how bad.
Welcome to Lagos, Lekki Phase 1. Oyibo tire. Ah, Bobby, you don't go like stay Lekki. Lekki Phase 1. You don't go like stay Lekki Phase 1. You know the one wey pay me pass? Now use condom just to touch on my body inside this water. Like bro. Now use condom, now if inside the water. Yama. Just to touch on my body. And the one wey pay me pass with that. Oh, it's not funny, it's not funny. It's crazy out here, man. It's crazy. They need to ban Lekki Phase 1. Make they ban them. Make they not ban the full Lekki Phase 1. They need to ban Lekki Phase 1 and start it afresh.
I stay on the island.
I
stay on the. I can't come to the mainland.
Now big Maria.
You see, I have laptop in my bag
Show you the
and camera. I can't come to the mainland.
You can't come to the mainland. You don't see them now. Show you go like stay. Do where they come. How do you feel? Lekki is very, very bad. Ah, I swear to my people. Bro, how do you feel, my bro?
Nothing is bad, though.
Like, what are this? You break down? Sorry, Baba.